Good morning, day 145. PCT mile approximately 1132, and my miles hiked 1890. So we are above Lake Tahoe, which with the sun I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it's far off there in the distance. Got this incredible valley right here as I walk along this ridge top. Great views on both sides. Headed to Donner Summit today, to the Donner Ski Ranch, where I hope to stay tonight and get some dinner. We'll see. It's going to be a good mile push for that. Hopefully I'll get in early enough. One of the cool things hiking in the mornings is the shadow that gets cast as you hike. Coming back into the sun here in just a moment, and there's a good rock face I'll be right alongside, so that may cast a good shadow like I was talking about. Just kidding, I'm going on the other side. So I hope you enjoyed this morning portion of the hike. I may do an afternoon one today, but enjoy the creation. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful.